are we doing this morning?
Going hunting. My dad has to shoot a buck.
Hunting?
Yeah, I had to say it the old-fashioned way.
Okay. What are you gonna help with?
Guiding the deer and ranging.
I'm gonna be the cameraman today, huh?
Yeah. It's also a spike. It's also a spike. I told you I wanted you to shoot this spike. That's the only buck we have seen, so that's why I said to shoot it. But that wasn't even a spike. That was a 2-point. I forgot that was a 2-point. I got 2 fish. That's from the window. There's a window. He's there now.
And all these babies and they brought
So that. I already have the GoPro on. So this is the rock that was making it.
nice buck.
Yeah, that 2-point. That's the one that I was ranging. I wasn't ranging this spike, I was ranging the 2-point.
Okay, tell me. Oh, there's a 4-point.
Yeah.
I hit the 4-point.
No way.
I killed him.
Like right in the heart?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. We gotta go over to the Jeep.
Good job, D.
You hit him? I didn't see the 4-point. I thought you hit the doe for a minute. Dad got 2 arrows in him. One in the heart, like right through him. Onto, yeah.
It's in the back. And I just, seriously, I'm like, I could just
shouldn't have taken the shot.
There's a doe in front of him, and Dad just went.
No, they were all bucks. Every one of them was a buck.
Everyone.
But I was like, oh, there's the little weird spike that I missed earlier. And I'm like, ranking this. It's like he's 50, 30, or 52. I was like,
I said 52, and I was ranking this 2 point.
and he was right. And then I'm like, and then I was like, no, there's a bigger buck. He's like, that's what I was ranging. And then I look, I'm like, there's even a bigger buck. So they were all lined up. And but he had that fat can right there. Don't get
Hey, opening morning of the muzzleloader. We're gonna go kill a deer?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Don't have very much time, so we can stag one today. Be done. Not gonna be too picky, huh? Who's gonna get the horns? You? Huh? Hey.
This is her right here. Good standing. Somewhere right here. Decent over. Feel the breeze at her back. Going too fast coming. I was like, wait, just watch. The breeze is gonna take our scent to him. You can feel it going that way as those two came. And they got right. Boom. And they turned right at us. They instantly, bam. It's like, see how easy they can smell us.
First thing we've seen all day. Oh, he's tempting.
Let's see if there's anything else we can.
He's not spooked at all.
Because he knows nobody wants to kill him. Can you guys see him?
Can you see him now? He's moving. His ears. Do you see his horns? Or are they too small to see?
It's right to the tip.
Probably just go off the road and see if there's anything else. I don't think he's gonna go anywhere.
Just gonna hit you out.
What's up, guys? We're back again going hunting. We got Maddie again.
I was in one of their videos before.
If you go back and watch it, you'll see her where she picked up her first shed, by the way. But we're going hunting. See if my mom can kill a deer tonight. We got the legendary cookies, guys.
Do not open the cream pies.
It's a little low.
Those are my cream pies.
We got the legendary cookies for our
My dad loves those things, and you guys want one.
They'll be eating little dabs. See about the glass.
Oh, that thing's a dead sucker.
Wow.
Heck! Did you get him? Look,
It's dead.
It literally dropped.
it's like, oh, he's not dead. He's not dead.
No, yeah, it is. That thing is dead.
Mine dropped dead. Gone.
We don't even have to see it that deep. Nice. smell it.
That was easy. That was just like bam.
Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Still a bam. I didn't even see how big it was.
Yeah, the movie got right. Those have wood.
Yeah.
5.
No.
Look, it's dry. Feel it. Ah!
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
7.
What do you think about it? Mav, Tay, is that pretty cool?